Today I am going to be making a delicious Angus T-bone steak. Look how thick that steak is, baby. It's all good. Would you look at the price? 2 big T-bones, and it's going down today, right now, for breakfast in my house. Thank you for tuning into Keshia TV. Get ready. Let's watch Keshia TV. I know I'm proud of this. Enjoy. Wait. We're now watching Keshia TV, baby. It's your girl Keshia, and welcome to another episode of Keshia TV. Today I'm making steak. I say steak, not any steak, but the T-bone, thick, 1 pound T-bone. It's going down. Get it all rubbed in really good and wonderful. Oh, yes it is. Yes it is. Oh, yes it is. You see them seasoning all up on that stick. Dog, act, dog. My. Yeah, it's lovely. I don't know what it is. I put some minced garlic on top of this, and that's gonna just cook right on down to perfection. Oh, yeah. Love how you love when I'm cooking, when you're watching it cooking. Hey.
That beautiful crust on there. So you see what I see. Juicy froze. That's how you want it. You want to get that crust on it. So it can be downright juicy and delicious. And I take and poke. Just to get that little flavor all up in there. You see that there? That's a steak right there. That's what you call a real steak. That right there, it's going to feel you like, ugh.
Footage while I give you Keshia TV. You better subscribe, cause we cooking stick and egg. I'm a cooking stick egg leg of my waffle. You know. Got these sticks searing, making that beautiful crust, and I'm gonna take and just throw this whole bed of onions on top of them sticks now. Shake right a roll. Just cover them all up. Just cover them up like just fall right all up on them. On off. That's how we did. But these onion that's gonna cover the whole entire stick, and they gonna caramelize right in there wrong with it, and they gonna be like a partnership or something, because the flavor is so robust. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna throw a little bit more of this minced garlic in there, you know, just to get it going. Throw a little bit minced garlic on top of the onion, so we get that dissolved flavor all the way. You know how I did. I do not play with this dog playing with me. Y'all, you see how them onions just caramelizing all up and on. That beautiful finish right there. Love it. Listen to the sizzle. You can hear that loud. That sizzle just all up and on there. Man, you can't get no better footage than that nowhere. I'm ready up on the pan. When you getting that direct flavor, you can always just imagine yourself right here in Keshia's kitchen on Keshia TV, tasting these delectable steaks as you about to come on. I'm study that shit. Love it how you love it how you cook on Keshia TV. You ain't saying nothing like this before. What you talking about? Yeah. all up and on you. On, off, on you, on, off, on you. That's what I mean. That's what I see, that's what I mean, man. This really doing what it do. I'm gonna apply a little bit more oil in there. You get that right juiciness on them onions so you can start to caramelize. Apply a little bit more oil all up in there, like that there. And you're gonna see what it is when I cooked it up and hooked it up, because everything's gonna be so lovely and delicious once these sticks reach the plate. Stop acting dog, you know what I'm saying? Them T-bones on you. T-bone 3 is 3-5 steak. These the real deal right here. You see how thick these babies is? What you want is you want to get a crust on them. That way, you know that the meat is all the way done, all the way through. Like that there. Apply them onions on there. And go around and do that. And let that just caramelize all together. And just throw that onion on there. That way you know it's on there. And that onion, the flavor gonna go all the way through. So I take my little fork and just stab until I get this to the steak is so tender it melts in your mouth. You ain't never seen a steak that melt in your mouth like that and just cook where it supposed to. You know what I'm saying? It do what it supposed to. And I just let it cook until it's done it. And if it ain't done it, it's gonna stay in the pan until it do get done it. But I'm gonna make sure this flavor just running all up and through there for that beautiful bean footage that y'all love. I got you. What you need, I got it. Keshia TV. If you have not already, you need to subscribe. What is wrong with you? I do everything on camera for you. That is Keshia TV. Just subscribe, pitch the top bell. So every time I come out with another one, you be the first one to get that beautiful, delicious bean footage. Hey. Now back to the food. If you know like I know, you would just shut up and watch. Because it gets better by the second. And I wouldn't even lie to you. You know what I'm saying? Never would I lie to you. About nothing. I'ma tell you the truth. The way it supposed to be. When you hooking up a steak around here, you got to pulverize it to tenderize your meat. And if it ain't tender, it ain't gonna be aged. So I ain't gonna crack my skull and all my shit trying to do the right thing. You know what I'm saying? Trying. So let that sizzle like it's sizzle. And all that delicious buttery sauce that we have before us. You know what I'm saying? Let it just do what it do and let them onions just caramelize. And you know I ain't lying. Right up on your plate. Plate, onion. Caramelize. When I take this stick and just take the steak and just stab the stick till the steak is delicious and quite mouth-watering. It's gonna be a short treat. It's a short stopping. This show to stop by your table and get a bite off of that piece of meat right there. You're gonna love it just as much as you did. First thing, in the morning hour. So, it's our tell you something I ain't gonna lie to you. I'ma just be honest. And what brings flavor more than a slab of bacon? Then you know I got to add a few slices of bacon in there because again, it can flavor up my steak and give that to the required consistency. And you take a couple slabs of bacon and throw across there, you're looking for a real mouth-watering treat that is sure to please. It never disappoints. I'll show you. You have never had steak done the way they do it on Keshia TV. And look at that beautiful, look at that bacon all beautiful up and on that steak like that. You tell me that don't look good. You want to bite right through the heat, don't you? or right to your phone. You know if you were here, I'll make you a plate. Start adding and take that bacon, let it just sizzle right in there. It's gonna be so good. Make you wanna smack your more. This is gonna be so delicious because it's just something like the way the onion prepare itself all up against the bacon, all up on the stick. So y'all is in for a special, delicious treat this morning. My steak. Keshia TV all up and on you. And if you like steak and you like the way this looking right here, why don't you just go ahead and pause this beautiful thing, put it right now and smash the subscribe button and press the top bell right on top of that one. And that's gonna let you know each and every time I come through with some more delicious footage for you. You know how I do it. Now look how that steak so tender, that's falling right hard. And I take my little fork and stab. If it ain't tender, I don't want it. God. Look how these onions that caramelize little stuff all up on this stick. They ain't ask no permission or none. These just all up on it. And look when I spin it, see how that just looks so good. I know your little mouth is watering. I know you will. Now you want what I got, and I got it to give to you, babe. All up on you with them ribeyes first thing in the morning. Bubble in the onion. Oh my goodness. He said, put it on me, so I put it on him. This gonna be good. And I can't wait to take a knife and a fork and slice through this beautiful steak. And then multiply a little eggs and start it there. Oh my God. We in for a special treat this morning. Y'all already, if you don't know, you better tune in. So beautiful bean footage I've seen in a long time. That steak is just brinding itself all with all them flavors, that garlic, that butter, that seasoning. This steak is going to just do something to you when you apply it to your body. I'm telling you right now, you do not want to miss out on this lovely bean footage right here. Oh my God, I done did it this time. Them onion that stick, that sizzle like a lizard all on, y'all. It's all nice. I make it look like living onion, but it's not liver, it's stick. It's that Angus T-bone. Leave me alone. Angus T-bone, I want to bring you nothing but the best first thing in the morning because this is Keshia TV. If you won't know, you better tune in. A little oil just so it can give it that butter consistency. They can get the season to stick right on in there. Apply the oil to it on both sides. Rub the oil in thoroughly. Then make sure you just rub, and get your steak to the right consistency that you want it. We're gonna hook these bad boys up. No doubt at all. Yeah, it's going down. First of all, we want to take this candles right here. This is what it is for steak candles, buttery steak house, and we're gonna rub it all down on this steak right now. yeah, it's going down. More oil and more seasoning. The more the better. Add a little bit of that grain, black pepper on there. You can't go wrong. Gonna give it that spice that it needs, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I had to come through with them eggs scrambled all up on it with some cheese and burnt onions and stuff. Because you gotta get that flavor of the burnt stick all up in your egg. And if it ain't burnt, it ain't right. And if it ain't burnt, I ain't cook it. But yeah, on Keshia TV, I bring you footage. I go out and make video. I picked you over, let you watch. What you watch? If you haven't subscribed, you need to press that button, subscribe, and then when you're doing that, don't stop there. Press the bell on top, because that's going to let you know each and every time I'm on there. And you want to get everything, first scoop of everything, like the first scoop of ice cream. You die. Yeah, walk, stop. You done played them sticks up in that wall, and that looks so good, I tell you. There ain't nothing better than a piece of stick. And that right there was the finest cut of them all, that T-bone. Thicker than a mold, thicker than a snicker. You gonna enjoy this. And more than I'm gonna enjoy it when it get done. Let's get it I can't just let it be. And these sticks gonna be slayed. You didn't just been tossed and turned it and twisted each and one way. Ain't no other way to do it but the way I do it. Yeah, you guys talking like you got to let your onion caramelize. If you ain't caramel, then you done. Yeah, you done. But they get too much thing, you gotta back up so you too close to it. Just another lesson, tater, cream tater. I made it bad con, cause you know I ain't feel like peeling no tater, y'all good. But I take it and mix that with some butter and put it on my way. They're gonna go great good, so all these sticks and that tater and a little bit of egg with cheese. You don't know nothing about that. Stick, tater, stick, tater, stick, tater. I get my face. Y'all on that government cheese level, cause that's what level I'm on. You don't put it in regular box no more, you put it in Vanguard. Vanguard got that government cheese you put on your egg and on your stick. If you want some cheese, you just open the box and it's all in there. This stuff is good. And those sticks done been plated and they just look so lovely, put a little more oil on them for they dry and taste like rubber. Sizzle on that, sizzle on that, sizzle on that. Look at that beautiful bean footage right there. These got to be the prettiest steaks I've never seen in my life. And you get ready to apply a little bit of this here minced garlic to get that spices going and jumping up off in here. Get a nice crust on that steak. It's going to be absolutely delicious. We will enjoy it. I told you I was gonna come with that ultimate hookup, but you thought I was playing. I ain't playing. Check this plate out. You want to see what I'm talking about? Keep on Angus steak, baby. Eggs with the Angus steak juice in it and bacon in the egg, and a little bit of mashed potato on the side. That looks so good, don't it? Bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. But before you do that, just press subscribe. I'll be happy. I love you. Until next time. You enjoyed that beautiful bean footage? Be sure to click like, subscribe, and share all of that good stuff. I love y'all. Until the next video. Peace.